Hello friends, now I will show you how to file include in PHP. So currently if I run this file, this is empty, alright, because there is no PHP code, no content, nothing else, alright. If I run the website, there is showing the hello world. Now if I write some code, then this content will show here, alright. So now first of all need to PHP syntax, then I need to write the include method. Now just write the file name website.php. If I run this file, hello world. That's it. If your file in the images folder, now you need to just write path images. Now will be same result. That's it. So thank you for the watching. Bye bye.